In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a digital product landing page in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean conversion-ready page that clearly explains your offer. Lets people pay and is live on the web. First, decide how you want to start. You can build from scratch if you enjoy full control, or you can speed things up with a Notion landing page template made for digital products. Launch-ready kits are great because they come with modular blocks like pricing tables, feature highlights, and social proof. You can drag around. If your product is a course or an ebook, look for templates tailored to those formats so you get the right sections out of the box. Whichever route you choose, duplicate the template into your workspace. Remove filler content and set a simple color accent and typography that match your brand. Next, structure your page for clarity and conversions. Begin with a strong hero section. Lead with an outcome-focused headline, the kind that promises a result your audience cares about, and place a clear call to action right beside or below it. Under that, explain the product's value in plain language. Don't just list features, translate them into benefits, like time saved, steps simplified, or skills gained. Add social proof to build trust. Embed testimonials or short reviews. Ideally with a first name and role if you have permission, and keep them specific. Visuals matter, so include polished screenshots, a quick demo video, or a short GIF that shows the product in action. Finish with an FAQ to address common objections such as access, refunds, or support. And a footer with basic contact or support links. Because Notion doesn't handle payments natively. Connect a third-party checkout. Gumroad is a simple option with easy embeds and links. Lemon Squeezy offers clean, customizable checkouts that blend nicely with Notion's style. If you need more control over fields, use Tally or Typeform to build a payment form connected to Stripe. Whichever tool you choose. Place your primary checkout button in the hero and repeat it near the bottom. Test the entire flow from click to confirmation before sharing publicly. When you are ready, publish. Open the Share menu in Notion, toggle Publish, and your page goes live on a Notion site domain. In Notion site settings, add a custom domain and set an SEO title and description, so it looks professional in search and social previews. If you want advanced features like better SEO controls, custom fonts, or analytics, consider third-party builders such as Super, So, or Simple Inc. Review everything on mobile. Tighten up spacing and confirm your links work. Thanks for watching.